morning everyone, happy Sunday. So 2 hours ago I turned this camera on and the battery was 40%. I filmed one small clip and it's now 14%. So yeah, that's handy. But yeah, thought, have I said it's Sunday? But yeah, happy Sunday. I thought I would vlog today and we'll spend the day together. Nothing really happening, but I haven't vlogged in ages and my channel has recently been a lot of hauls and makeup. There's actually a makeup video gone live today. Watch that. But I thought, yeah, today we'll do kind of a reset day. It's Sunday. Get ready for the week ahead. I have literally just come back from my walk, which is why my headphones are here. But these headphones are so good. These ones by Beats. I don't really know what they are. Beats, Shadow, Wireless Grey. They're just brilliant. I really love them. They're really, really comfortable. They fold down like that. And I just really recommend them. So yeah, just side note. But yeah, right now I'm going to go and walk Lexi because she's staring at me. And then I need to clean, do some washing. I'm gonna make a lovely dinner tonight and have a lovely shower. Will I wash my hair or not? That is still the question I've been thinking about all morning. I'm gonna go and charge this camera for a while, but yeah. So that's the plan for today. I'm in my PJ top, went for a walk in, but that's the plan. So yeah, let's go and do that. Okay, so it's a little bit later now. I think it's like 2 hours or so later. I have done my cleaning and procrastinated on TikTok, and now I'm kind of done. I'm gonna have a lovely shower. I'm absolutely shattered. But before I do, I wanted to show you what I got in Dunnes the other day. I haven't been in Dunnes in about 10 years, maybe more. Dunnes is like a store that sells a little bit of everything, like clothes, kids, men's homeware, I think like food and drink a little bit, I don't know. But I thought I'll show you what I got because I was absolutely pleasantly surprised, as in like a 10/10 surprise. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I got. So the first thing I picked up was this candle from Paul Costello, and this is Sicilian Lemon. It gives you a little thing to smell in here. It's so nice. The packaging is also gorgeous. I don't think you can see on camera, but it's like a pearlescent. It is so nice. I don't normally like Sicilian lemon anything, but this smells absolutely gorgeous. Like it's like almost like a spicy lemon, if you will. Like it's so nice. So it's just gorgeous. I picked up this, so you can see it's got deodorant on it because I've tried it on. But I picked up this vest. It is unbelievably thick. It is so thick. I can't tell you the quality on that. It's a 20 out of 10. I'd say it's better than Zara. Like it's so thick. I got mine the size extra small to small. Oh, she knows. And look how much it was. £4. They did it in baby blue as well, but they didn't have my size in the baby blue. But I'm just, obsessed. Also picked up this. Some of the seamless leggings. It's that same kind of fabric, you can see ribbed. So thick. Oh my god, I can't tell you how gorgeous they are. They are so thick, they're so flattering. The material, the quality is, I can't tell you how good it is. It's unbelievably good. I got mine in the extra small to small. And these were, it says €10. So whatever that is, what? I think they were £10 to be fair. I think they actually charged £10. But I just love them so much. So how cute's that outfit for £14? unbelievable good quality. Picked up this, which is the same kind of fabric, that ribbed fabric, and it's just a midi skirt. So this is more for kind of day wear with this little top and say Converse on. I did pick this up in a medium to large because I didn't want it so skin tight, but what I will say is I feel it is a little bit big. You know, I should have gone extra small to small, but we can make it work. It's not restricted anywhere, it's not tight anywhere, but it does feel slightly, well, it does feel big. So I would stay true to size on that, extra small to small. But as I say, it fits really nice. It'll be so comfortable when you're eating, moving, because it is that bit bigger. But yeah, oh, this was £8. So there's another little outfit. How cute. And then I picked up this little crop because I don't have anything like this. But it's the same, again, that kind of material. Again, the quality, it is unbelievably thick. It is so soft. It has a little collar, it's open neck, and this was £7, and this is an extra small to small. So I just absolutely love it. What I will say is, if you're planning on not wearing a bra, you can see your nipple through it. So just a little heads up there. So yeah, they had this in red and white stripe. They had this in baby blue. They had this in red. And these they just had in black. They also had like a cream colour top and like a bralette top to go with the skirt. But yeah, I didn't get that because I wouldn't wear it anywhere. But Duns is a 10. I will be putting stuff on my Depop. Depop will be on the screen. Okay, so we're doing a little bit of skincare. I've just put my Garnier Vitamin C brightening serum on, which as you can see I've nearly finished. I really like this product. Next I'm going in with this. This is new. This is the Olay Vitamin C AHA 24 Gel Day Cream I'm using. So I only got this the other day, but it does come with this. If you have long nails or long acrylic nails, best of luck to you getting that off because it's so difficult. But it's really nice. It's like a gel formula, and it smells nice as well. So I'll put that on. Oh, it feels so good. Going in with eye cream. And then most important, I'm going in with my sunscreen. This one is the Inky List. Looks like that. It's a brown coloured one. And then I decided not to wash my hair, so I'm going to put on some Olaplex number 3, and then just put it in a scrunchie, and that will do us until the morning. So I'm just about to mop, and I wanted to show you what I use to mop because it's cool, but it's by Method. And it's the Squirt and Mop Wild Rhubarb. So it looks like this. You do not need a mop bucket, you just need your mop. Squirt it on the floor and mop. But I just had to show you because look how cool it is. So yeah, all my cleaning products are Method because they are cruelty free and safe for animals. And obviously I have Lexi, so I need to make sure that she's safe. But yeah, I had to show you that because it's unreal. And then I got this perfume by Jennifer Lopez, so I'm opening it now because I've just finished the perfume. So it is Jennifer Lopez and it's called One. So there is the bottle. It's so nice. I actually got it for Christmas. It's the first time I'm opening it. But I love it because it smells very Tom Fordy. You know, it's quite a warm scent. It's not fresh and fruity or sweet, but it smells really, really expensive, which I love. Yeah, it smells really luxe, so just wanted to show you a little perfume you may like. So yeah, I'm gonna mop and then have a nice cup of tea. Okay, so dinner, I'm gonna make it's like a vegan fried rice. I have it all the time. It's delicious and it's a way that I get all of my veg in, so I thought I'll make that now. And then basically all you'll need is a lot of veg. So I'm putting in carrots, a pepper, onion, garden peas, and then like a broad bean, edamame and pea mix. They're just frozen. And basically add everything into the wok with some whole grain rice, soy sauce. That's what we're making. Have all your veg in a bowl. I just put mine in a bowl. It's easier to whack in. A little olive oil. I just heat up a wok and then just put that in there. Okay, my loves, I think I will end the vlog here. It's obviously a lot later now, and I've had a bag of Maltesers because I couldn't resist, and I actually made a cup of coffee and forgot to boil the kettle, so that's just great. So it's freezing, so I had to make another. Just gonna watch Friends and then get my PJs on and do my nighttime routine and go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't. This is kind of a different video for the channel in a long time. You know, the hair has the Olaplex in it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing week and I will see you next week.